Hello and welcome. Working on this active and MOT'd Evo 1 started like this, which turned into this, which revealed this. Now, shortcut previous repairs always mean trouble, and that was the case here. So I had to cut all that out, and this is where we finished up. The rotten parts of the floor are cut out, and the previously repaired crossmember has been removed. New crossmembers are available here, although I wasn't too impressed with their customer service or the delivery time. This is the Classic Panels new crossmember. Now, it's not as strongly built as the original Lancia, but it is double skinned around the towing eye area. I was disappointed that a towing eye support mounting wasn't already fitted. So I cut the bracket off the old crossmember and cleaned it up. I cleaned the paint off the area to be welded on the new crossmember, and then I bolted the towing hook underneath and onto the new crossmember, and then I bolted the support bracket onto that and welded it onto the crossmember. And then I removed the towing hook. And I gave the welding a tidy up. To attach the new crossmember to the chassis legs, I had to make a pair of mountings. I made them from 19 gauge steel so they would be strong. After carefully centering the frame on the car, I tacked on the mountings. Then back at the bench, I welded the brackets on fully. To weld the brackets to the car, I carefully measured its position, then clamped it for welding. So before I went any further, I needed to get the door and the floor in line. It needed to go 10 millimeters up on the right hand side. I jacked the right hand end up 10 millimeters. I flat disked all the paint off the sections to be welded, and then drilled the new section of heavy gauge flooring so I could pod weld it to the chassis rails. I did that carefully. So that's where we're up to. Shop panel next. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.